Saitama is most likely worth $0 by and large. The price of Saitama V2 has dropped by 0.62% in the last 24 hours, according to Thomas, who says that the intraday volume is still at 11,877,790 and that the 22nd of April, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the Saitama Have2 cost examination for now or about a week from now. We will also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. What, in reality, is Saitama Have2's temporary cost expectation? Really, Saitama is a pretty good theory that goes against the way most people think. Saitama V2 support and resistance levels, etc., which is important, but before getting too deep into the Saitama technical examination, we talked about the kind of economy we are in. Incredibly, market assessment over the most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84%, bringing the entire computerized cash market to $1,543,298,372, which is enormous. The overall trading volume remained at $44,480,359,250, or so they believed. Bitcoin accounts for 45.72% of the passage market, whereas Ethereum has a 16.33% share, which is incredibly fundamental. This is specifically what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $27,200.75 and 35 cents after a rot of 2.73, which is in every viable sense a colossal difference. Aggregate advanced types of cash as Ethereum genuinely has seen a worth decay of 3.36% coming to 1854.11 pennies during the beyond 24 hours, while dispersing this blog BNB traded at 323.16 following a worth difference in 1.42 inside a comparable time span, or so they definitely thought. XRP, the in each common sense neighborhood coin of XRP for the most part is someplace close to 3.99 and at the present time trading at 45. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the section market, while Ethereum kind of has a prevalence of 16.33 in a very sort of enormous way. Besides, Coco's BCX came to 60 pennies directly following seeing a rot of 0.77 in regard, or so they from a genuine perspective idea. These events expressly essentially show that the market generally is going in and basically in each pragmatic sense diving heading for unquestionably present second, which in a genuine enumeration, truly basic at this point and exceptionally wide very deplorable dive should be visible all through the crypto market, showing how the expense of Saitama V2 inside and out that truly matters generally has fallen by 0.62 in the beyond 24 hours, or so they everything considered thought. Saitama Have2 help and obstruction levels. Support and resistance are important technical marks used to figure out where the trend can go in a different direction. Beautiful, despite what most people think, support is a level at which buyers become more active and keep the price of the coin from going down any further until the 22nd of April, 2023. In this video, we'll mostly show you how much Saitama V2 will cost now or in about a week. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about the cost of Saitama F2 and Saitama. The current value of Saitama V2 is mostly $0. Despite what most people think, Saitama's market cap is only $71,947,243 while the price of a coin changes 8.06% over the course of a week, showing that Saitama F2 is already worth $0. The amount of real sense is now worth $0, which is a very important way to look at it. Saitama V2 price analysis. Saitama price analysis for the 22nd of April, 2023 in a day-to-day time frame in a real sense made sense of below, showing that Saitama F2 price analysis. Saitama price analysis for the 22nd of April, 2023 in a day-to-day time frame in a real sense made sense of below, which explicitly is very important that we use especially highly relative strength index moving average. Saitama by and large has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.62% in genuinely most recent 24 hours, which basically is very huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid showing that various elective cryptographic forms of money as ETHEREUM basically has seen a value diminishing of 3.36% coming to 1854.11 cents during the past 24 hours in a very huge manner. Saitama have two financial backers, need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day diagram, which shows that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Saitama specialized examination, let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought, while Saitama's Williams %R marker especially is at 68.196 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition exchange. Especially truly signal especially as somewhat conceivable at this reach exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours there sort of basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,154,329,028,372, which especially is genuinely critical and in every practical sense significant way the fundamentally genuinely relative strength file for Saitama coin. Quite is right now floating at 28 for 14 days, certainly normal line, which sort of means Saitama generally is in oversold zone, and a pattern most certainly inversion basically especially is conceivable, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Saitama specialized examination in every practical sense essentially let us most certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, kind of most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, and Saitama too in a real sense for the most part has pretty hardly any recuperation risks, and could in every way that really matters keep testing quick obstruction level of $0 long, so Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33 in an unpretentious manner, while the really slow bullish development in the very generally speaking cryptographic money space can fundamentally for the most part keep Saitama financial backers confident. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000 after beginning the year below $17,000. Despite the return of optimism to the crypto market as a result of traditional financial crises, the cryptocurrency market is still far from its November 2021 all-time peak of nearly $69,000. Balaji Srinivasan, a former chief technology officer at Coinbase, placed a $2 million wager that the price of